Hey dolls, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anase. So I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how I make my hair into a bun. So if your hair is stressing you out, you're tired of the wig and all that, so this is just something easy you can do. So I use the Dark and Lovely Moisture Plus Oil. So I really like it, so that's what I do when I want to make my hair into a bun. So as you guys can see, it's so simple, so easy. So that's what I'm doing. Not every time you want to like wear a wig and all that. Sometimes you just want to make your hair into a bun, just easy, simple, and you're good to go. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I use got to be glued gel, so that's what I'm using for my edges, and also went in with the spray. Yes. Okay, so I'm using my Elegant Cosmetics to kind of like outline my brows. This is just something different I'm doing for my brows. That's because I'm going for a nude look, so I really want it to pop, so I just want to do this process. You don't really have to do this process if you don't want to. You don't need to outline your brows. I just felt like doing this to my eyes, so I used that Shape Tape concealer for my eyes. Then I also went in with Sasha Buttercup to like set my eyes. So I'm going in now with a pencil I have. This is a MacBook pencil just to fill in my brows. I'm going to get back to my brows later. Yeah, so that's a Juvia Nubian palette. It has a lot of warm tones. So if you're going for a nude look, this is your go-to palette. Neutral and warm tones, and so I've had this palette for a very long time now. So hence that's why it's looking that way. So nobody should judge me. It shows I'm using my palette. That's why it looks the way it does. Yep. So that's what I'm doing. Still working on my crease. And guys, if you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the subscription button down below. Like, comment, and share my video. Thank you. So I'm also going in with that dark shade there. Still applying it on my crease, but later I'm still going to take it outside my crease. So that's it. So I'm cutting my crease now using Tarte Shape concealer in tan sand. So I'm going in with that color there. So I went back with that dark shade there, just like outline my outer crease some more, to make it more precise. Because this is not a full crease, it's like is this a semi crease or half crease? I don't know, but as you guys can see, so I'm just using that to fill up the outer part of my crease. So that's H and E Hager and Esther deep brow pomade in ebony. So I'm using that now to like fill up my brows. So that's my MAC Prep Plus Prime Essential Oil. This is my first time of using this. I really like the outcome of it. It gave me this glow that I like and I love. So that's as usual my MAC Cosmetics Peach Lights, because I love glow. So it gives me that extra glow also. Yeah. So this is a new foundation that I came across, and I was so happy I had to get this foundation. I'm so happy it got to me. This is TWOK foundation. The foundation stained my shirt. I was really so pissed. So this is TWOK foundation. I don't know how it's pronounced. All I know is TWOK London. You guys, I don't know why. I don't know if it's pronounced as talk or TWOK. I don't know. So this is TWOK flawless filter foundation. So far I think I like the foundation. It has a matte finish and it really smells good. Like it smells fine, fresh, and all that. Like it has this fruity flavor around it. So I really like it. This one is the color 160. Yeah, so far I think I like it. TWOK London. Yeah. Okay, so this is Tarte Shape concealer in tan sand. So So I'm also going to be showing you guys how I contour and highlight and all that. So I tried as much as possible to do all that in this video. So I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm using just trying to highlight. This is how I highlight when I really want to like do my contour and highlighting. So for my contour, that's Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour in Deep. So that's what I'm using to contour now. Yeah. Yeah, so now it's time to blend. Like seriously, you have to blend. Like you have to blend. You don't have a choice. You just need to blend. So that's it. That's the secret about having that's the secret of having a very nice contoured face. You really need to blend. This took like, I'm not exaggerating, it took me almost like 30 minutes to blend everything all out. So you need to take your time when blending. You blend. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it. That's how I contour. So I'm going in now with my Inglot loose powder. This is the Inglot loose powder. So I'm just using it to set my face. So I'm going in now with my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder to set my under eye. Yeah, and also my chin and all that. So that's my CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronze. Using that to bronze and warm up my face. Yeah. So just to make my contour precise, I'm going over that with my Inglot loose powder. So now I'm blending, I'm buffing, I'm doing all that good stuff. I'm blending everything out. Yep. So the colors I use on my eyes, I'm using them around my waterline, as you guys can see. And guys, make sure you don't forget to connect with me on all my social media pages, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Snapchat. My name will be right on your screen. So that's my MAC Cosmetics Cork lip liner. So I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood and Butterscotch on my lips. I hope you guys enjoy this nude glow. I really had fun creating this look, from my bun hair to the contour and highlights. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yep. So that's my Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and yes, that's my finished look, guys. Let's see you again next time. It's bye guys.